Oke, bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon everyone. The Honorable Mr. Niki F. Sanjaya and all of my beloved friends. First of all, let's ask thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Because of His blessing we are able to come to hear the presentation strategic management about journal review. Okay, let me introduce myself. I'm here as a moderator and first presenter. Before we are start, let's say basmalah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, next I will presentation the first material about introducing. The international business strategy via e-commerce was the term that was decided for the research to understand how small and medium enterprises can expand internationally through e-commerce and how companies can have international penetration to the foreign market without having a physical presence. In this context, e-commerce emerges as one of the most practical and most widely used method by consumers, allowing companies to achieve prodigious international expansion with low cost. The study's primary purpose was to analyze the main theoretical contribution to internationalization, international model, e-commerce, and connect with companies' international strategy. The main goal was to propose the methodology to obtain new empirical data to validate the research question. The matter is internationalization. With the phenomenon of globalization, various changes have emerged in the internationalization economy and global market. The internationalization perspective has emerged from a different perspective due to technology advancement, the deregulation of the financial system and network society, and mega alliances created between countries. Previous research tried to explain internationalization motivation and has taken a research-oriented view that highlight the importance of an organization's internal aspect. Internal factors affect the company's performance, such as knowledge, research, executive demographic characteristics, and top management tolerance. However, the external environment influences a firm's strategic decision making in equal manner. For intense competition, regulation, and market saturation. International model. Several models and theory claim to explain the phenomena of international. The Uppsala model, named by Swedish City School, is the internationalization model relying on learning and knowledge. It is one of theory that analyzes internationalization, considering the firm individually, stating that firm start by choosing the nearest market with low market commitment. Next, impact and research and capability. Digitalization companies are characterized by using internet network, website, and mobile technology, which are the key driver of business expansion. Digitalization influences interconnection between a company, product or service, and human beings. innovation determining the success to user adoption and ultimately international. Business model that are developed online or platform transfer the basic logic of enterprise. Okay, the next presenter, Anggun Hana. Anggun Hana, please.
Okay, thank you, moderator. I will continue the material. Okay, the material is e-commerce, evolution and the different types of e-commerce, the development of the internet, the broadband, the transference, the number and value of transactions, conclusive electronicity, and the concept of electronic commerce was introduced in 1997, and e-commerce can be defined as the use of electronic networking, computer-based technology to bring new service, product, or idea to market to increase business action. There are different types of the e-commerce business. In B2B, e-commerce company do business with each other, such as manufacturers who sell to distributor and stockists who sell to retailers. In B2C, e-commerce companies sell to general public. On C2C e-commerce, concept of free advertisement, caution, and forums where people can place their product and sell them with third practice. Portable example or FX and Fire. International example eBay and Alibaba. The internet has accelerated the process of spreading information technologies, especially more general application, and as information technology is subject to rapid price inflation, it has become easily accessible to everyone. Moreover, e-commerce provides several opportunities for interaction with customers. Main advantage of e-commerce, the technology acceleration leads to a new way to the economy with different ways to do marketing and easier access to global markets from form of distribution, trading, and managing work. The speed of development is quicker online than offline. Moreover, personalization has to be an retailers' technology roadmap to obtain the significant competitive edge. Next material, cross-border trade challenges. Netherlands firms should be aware that the internet can also be a threat to them because customers also have at the disposal tools that allow them to propagate experience to the global internet, which can be useful on the one hand and the other hand when mystery, brand image, and credibility. E-commerce business model. Companies can start to use an e-commerce marketplace to integrate new media and online communication into their business process and even create entirely new business. Next material, retailing. Logical need to create immediately and simultaneously to the new challenges is global trade. With the development of information technology, the needs are provided in the new way through e-commerce. And lastly, e-marketing. The potential of the internet as a marketing tool, technological development, the internet one of the essential marketing tools today, and assumes itself as an effective channel to sell, share, expand, and distribute product and service. Okay, thank you, moderator.
Okay, thank you. The next material will be given by Arden. Please welcome.
Thank you, moderator. I will continue the material. Brand equity and market become. Brand equity is and progress arising from the introduction of medical technology in competition and improvement of the business. Tourists must refrain their resources to improve their competitive and effect and quickly productivity. To help repeat strategy, there are three steps of productivity, production, and development. Firstly, adopting a mindset with toward brand positioning. Secondly, developing internal capabilities that support it. Thirdly, consistently spending on brand communication and activation action. The role of social media market. The online creation of brand allows creating new opportunities for market by creating unique express that increase engagement. A robust social media platform will help a company to develop customer relationship that in turn can deliver new opportunities to reach new product and service and constantly increase sales. Influencer market. This market profit useful insight that will enable manage to drive innovation and customer. Fostering the social media strategy to achieve express objective to stimulus customer to share their opinion with author and insert brand on our website. Personalization in the website permits companies to attract more customers to the website. This type of strategy is one of the most effective ways of marketing for a company. Strategy formulation to access the company competition and analyze this question the elaboration of SWOT analysis is recommended by identify the organization strength, business opportunities, and their strategy planning. Every business that pretends to penetrate new market must begin by defining the market to enter. The type of strategy is competitive advantage, and what type of structure are necessary. Organizational innovation. Organization innovation permits to question of competitive advantage in e-commerce strategy. Know management. The development of knowledge management enable the company to obtain efficient and effective and constantly insert its agility to company. Thank you.
Okay, thanks to Adi. The next one is
Thank you, moderator. Next material, knowledge management. In the e-commerce market, not all aspects of the daily process can be replicated. Product cannot be tried before pure case, which leads to the adoption of specific strategy. Knowledge management is the keystone of this process. The development of knowledge management enables the company to obtain efficiency and effective and consequently increase its ability to compete. To become truly competitive, the company must be flexible. Next materi, chapter 3, analysis model and research hypothesis. The literature review describes e-commerce as a drive that enhances and effectiveness, facilitate communication and information exchange, and reverse a positive relationship with internationalization. Moreover, this study purports to identify the impact of the variable mentioned in the relationship between brands and consumers when media by social networks. The main objective is to develop a study framework with some theoretical proportion based on the exciting literary review analysis. Hypothesis 1. The decision to internationalize using e-commerce depends on several endogenous and exogenous factors of the company. Hypothesis 2. The use of e-commerce in the internationalization process reorganizes and intensifies its level of innovation. Hypothesis 3. The need to use external intermediaries and partners in change with e-commerce in the internationalization process. Hypothesis 4. The impact of social networks on the relationship between brands and consumers varies depending on brands' activity on this sum. Chapter 4. Research methodology, data collection and analysis. This chapter will describe the research strategy based on the exciting literature and method on the data and quick empirical. This research sample population is SMASH, and one of the methods is to collect data will be semi-structured interviews. In the interview, the main focus will be to comprehend how the firm presents the brand identity online, which are the main advantages of online presence, how the online shopping progression works, the step the purchase goes through, and monitoring. What is the main focus in the digital marketing strategy? Which features in procedures the most significant in terms of usability and designing a website, app or social page to recreate the physical environment of the store, among other issues. This information and breakdown of the methodology allow for the creation of a table that summarizes the research methodology that will be used to collect the data. Table 1, research methodology, research objective. Understand how why companies manage to expand internationally through e-commerce strategy. To understand the main reason why e-commerce did not achieve its full potential as an international driver for small and large companies. 3. Investigate holistically how relationship networks influence the internationalization strategy used by firms. Evaluate the impact of social media as a marketing strategy. Understand how international market opportunities can be achieved through business model innovation. Understand the consumer's perspective, what the consumer expects from the company. That's all the material I can convey. I will return it to the model.
Okay, thank you, Anali Purwiyati. The next presenter, Anissa Fadila. Bisa.
Okay, thank you, moderator. I will
The research focuses on small and medium-sized enterprises in Portugal that had success in marketing through electronic commerce and have an orientation for international expansion. This approach aimed to guide in-depth insight into companies' experience in the context of global trade. The appellate method was based on a qualitative approach utilizing semi-structured interviews in line with the recommendation of Saunders et al. 2009 suggesting that qualitative interview samples should consist of at least 5 elements and a maximum of 25. The sample identification process began with an internet search to compile a list of companies that met the research criteria. Next, text meaning. The study employed qualitative analysis method including text meaning to extract meaningful information from interviews. The word frequency, list and word cloud tools were utilized for visualizing the most frequent word. Linking with Goswami and Sisodia's 2013 approach, the data was then organized into categories allowing for a comprehensive exploration of convergence and divergence among respondents. The subsequent linking of data with existing literature aimed to establish connection between qualitative findings and emerging theories. The analysis attribute value to word based on their frequency in interviews, providing a foundation for drawing pertinent conclusion. The passage emphasizes the importance of a robust marketing strategy in selling product, especially at international levels. Kotler and Keller 2007 stressed that marketing should drive customer willingness to buy, while Webster 2002 underscored client orientation, strong strategy, and increased demand as key factor for marketing effectiveness. Kahn 2009 mentioned highlighting the value of teamwork in the marketing management process. Effective marketing management is seen as crucial for achieving company goals. Another team discussion is engagement, defined as a consumer's purposeful decision to interact with others through content creation and interaction.
Thank you, Dr. Point number one, what is association? From analysis of companies using initiative in commerce strategy. The person of digital marketing is spending brand owners, customer assessment, and company ability to adapt to customer preference. The analysis also show the use of social media and digital influencers is like a factor in influencing brand owners and understanding customer perspective. The strategy similarities between the companies where in the focus on improving consumer online experience and basing the strategies on the customer perspective. Point number two, the text provision
mean mapping and cross-cultural survey. Comprehensive look at the challenge company faced in the international expansion of e-commerce. The online outside show as logistical difficulties, high competition, and the importance of using social media and influencer the company's online marketing strategy. Point number 2 in the second method. The sample choice was random when conducting the online survey and was limited to 172 individuals and between 17 and 56 years and with different education qualification in the way. Will we stay by partition the sample using is the again group. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Agus Adil. The last materi, Afi Ahmad Fatin, to Afi Ahmad Fatin, Islam.
Ini moderator, I will continue my career. Material S2. The data related to the respondent and technical qualification allow us to identify supporting suitable text that a considerable number of respondents has qualification corresponding to academic education, including bachelor, master, and postgraduate degrees. The answer with the highest frequency being selected by 131 respondents corresponding to 73% of the sample corresponds to individual with superior academic qualification. The second most frequently answered option was forecast to education with 51 response corresponding to 27% of our respondents. The observation of the data collected allow us to conclude that the sample consists mainly of individuals whose educational qualifications are high academic education. This was the response option indicated by the majority of respondents. Next materi descriptive analysis from comprehensive information. Subsequently, it was analyzed the main reasons that led to the fear of making purchase online. It was possible to conclude the main reason is related to the potential problem caused by error in the algorithm, process, exam, and return. Thus, we found that 34% of respondents who respond that they were afraid to make purchase online content. This as the main reason for fear. After assessing the respondent propensity to buy online, it was found that the majority of respondents around 90% had a high propensity to make purchase online. And next material, social media network. Concerning the importance of feedback about product of social network, approximately 94% of respondents consider it necessary of this feedback before purchasing a particular product. However, it was found that about 78% of respondents have brought review on social network of the 172 respondents. It was found that only 70 the publication related to the brand before on social network, which corresponds to about 10% of the sample. Materi data analisis Conrad Alpha. To make the study more reliable, the data collected from the questionnaire will undergo validation and subsequent tasks in statistical analysis software. Business material soal correlation analysis. Class material, the section will analysis a correlation analysis between independent and independent variable of this research. The main objective is to understand the relationship between different variables. In this case, personal correlation function was given, and since it is a parametric correlation analysis. I think itu for my materi.
Oke baik, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Di sini saya akan melanjutkan materi yaitu chapter 6 mengenai funding and consolidation. This part is dedicated to the analysis of the data that was accurate for the purpose of this research. Hypo research will be analyzed based on this research. The question to internationalists using e-commerce dependent on several undergnoss and exogenous factor of the company. Electronic e-commerce remain emerging distribution channel worldwide. As a result, various studies have been conditioned to identify influence factor in the updating e-commerce and its implication for a significant contact first level economies and legal interference. In the current literature, we can find which rank of determine the positively or negatively influence internationalization speed at hoc some factor are investigation. Other must be analyzed do their conrouge and timeliness. The main factor were addressed in an internal and in internal and external dimension to understanding Portuguese companies reality better. Therefore, it is possible to approve the hypothesis because the decision to internationalize using e-commerce dependent on the company and endogenous and exogenous factor. This is driver profit a new way to think about the source e-commerce growth and division across countries. Next, the use of e-commerce in the internationalization process organizes and intensifies its level of innovation. In our critics, we globalization competition. Innovation is indispensable. Business model innovation is not only but technological innovation and direction or reinvention of the business structure. When a firm goes in internationalist, its focus solely on the business model innovation. It leads to globalized competition in the value proposition of the offering in a domestic context and global sourcing and research allocation. Next, the next to use external intermediaries and partner is change which e-commerce in the internationalization process. as mentioned before, several obstacles may arise in the internationalization process that hinders companies' good performance and expansion. It's a long process for a company to create a strong reputation in global market to again legitimacy which for right market customer subjectively experience has been a crucial institutional make him in gain followed in forex market company to be validated as legitimate actor in the market they operate to be reducing foreigners liability that drives from being the new foreign inter Moreover, the logistic can be another barrier to entry. Okay, next, the impact of a social network on the relationship between brand and consumer varies depending on brand actively. Companies are increasingly allocating their marketing spending to social media network. The research shows the social media use what positively relates to brand relationship quality and the effect was more pronounced with high anthropomorphism uh, perception, the extent to which uh, customer associates human characteristic with brand relationship of trust and loyalty through customer opinions through communication and marketing strategies may be improved or adjust to be more active. Alternatively, brand may cost to develop new product or improve existing owners according to be needs and recommends present. Okay, next, consultation and recommendation. The internationalization of Portuguese company through the adoption of e-commerce for internationalization is a topic that is not fully explored in the literature. Thus, is study main purpose is to the value the literature and help money manager of companies or even companies that want to enter this market. By using the survey questionnaire, it can be assumed the result obtained were in the agreement which the literature used to support this model. According to the result obtained, e-commerce allow use the unchained company innovation capabilities significantly increasing its performance at a global level. Additionally, be confirming the determining role that trust play in online shopping intentation also also revealing the importance attributes to each be consumer. The present study demonstrates that is to set a highly improvement contract. Therefore, it is inclusion is importance in the strategies in line the consultation and the consultation research which had regarding the analysis for factor allow professional to apply in their e-commerce business the element the remove the obtels encourage and that be the following consumer and consumer confidence contributes positively the growth of their e-commerce business. Oke, terima kasih. Mungkin itu materi yang bisa saya sampaikan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you, Abdurrahman. Alhamdulillah, our presentation today is finished. Let's close by saying Hamdalah.
Alhamdulillah.
Maybe it comes from me.